Everyone knows that traffic is the lifeblood of any business. No traffic means no sales. But unless you know how to drive lots of free targeted traffic that is primed to buy your products, you will struggle to succeed. The best way to do this is to find out what already generates that traffic and then siphon it for your own purpose. If you can do this, you'll get streams of free traffic of the best kind, primed, targeted, and eager to purchase. Doing this manually is impossible. Luckily, you don't have to. Introducing Traffic Mojo. Traffic Mojo is the world's premier free traffic generator. The software finds the most shared and viral images and GIFs from the world's largest social media platforms. This is trending content that is getting massive traffic right this minute. It then converts the images into red-hot traffic using our meme factory. Traffic Mojo is integrated with image libraries to create the kind of content that will pull visitors like bees to honey. Share these viral memes on social media for massive buyer traffic, leads, and sales. Get results like these, and these, and these. Social media is by far the largest driver of traffic on the planet, and it's warm, engaged traffic that is ready to buy. Currently, there are 3.03 billion active social media users, and a staggering 3.2 billion images are shared each day. Those who know how to use the power of social media see their traffic explode and their earnings soar. Those who don't struggle with expensive paid traffic, low return on investment, and low sales. Memes and GIFs get shared like nothing else, so sit back and watch the traffic surge into your lead capture pages, stores, and blogs. This is a unique software, and its in the cloud platform provides the latest and most up-to-date technology for seeking the highest shared content and then distributing it online like a guided missile. Traffic Mojo is what you need to take your business to the next level. It's a real game changer. With free traffic on tap, your online business will prosper. And now, for a limited time only, you can join us for a crazy low one-time price. After launch, the price will increase to a monthly subscription fee, which will be many times the current one-time cost of the software. We also have a number of unique bonuses as part of our launch-only special offer, so don't hesitate. Click the Buy Now button below and we'll see you on the inside.
Hey there everyone, and welcome to this case study for Traffic Mojo. I'm Dan Aschendorf, and together with my partner Yves Couillot, we're going to show you the dashboard of Yves' dating niche website using nothing but Traffic Mojo free traffic. So you can see here on the Friday we've had 58 clicks using the app, on the Saturday 111, on Sunday 92, and then Monday 53. Now just bear in mind that this is entirely free traffic using the app. I'll show you exactly how that's done in just a moment, but the way that it works is that the software finds the hottest and the most trending of images and GIFs and such like, and then using the memes factory, it posts and shares that content on to social media, and then because it's in people's niche, they find it and then they go ahead and visit the website. So you can see here in 4 days we've had 248 clicks, and that works out at about 64 clicks per day. Remember, this is free traffic and you can have as many of these campaigns as you want. So we'll show you some of the campaigns in just a moment. You'll have a look at the dashboard. You'll see this is 8 campaigns, but you can have, of course, more than 8 campaigns, and you can drive really seriously a ton of traffic, and it's all free just by the software finding the hottest content and then repurposing it using our memes factory and then auto posting it onto social media. So you can see here that we have 8 campaigns, and we'll sort of dive into these in just a moment. So you can see them here. You can see how many hits we have. So we've got one there for 212 clicks. Now if you think of how much a click would ordinarily cost you, you can do the math yourself. So I mean, really depending on the niche, I mean, you could be paying a lot of money per click, but this is all free traffic and you can have limitless amounts of it just by virtue of finding the hottest content within your niche, doing a little bit of repurposing, and then auto publishing that onto social media, which is all done for you by the software. So it's a really good time saver. it's really good for driving traffic. And what's really exciting about this is the fact that the traffic is very much engaged because it's within people's niches. So if they find that content, they're already warm and they are ready to go out, visit, share, comment, like, and purchase. So guys, hopefully you found this informative and interesting, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. I'm Dan Ashendorf. Speak to you very soon. Bye bye.